Wagwan massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back, guys, with another video. And we know you've been waiting on this vlog of us going to Atlanta.
Oh man.
It was fun. We had tons of fun. I can't tell you how much, but you're gonna see for yourself in this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button if you're new, and share. Blow up the comment section. Let us know what you think about this video. Comment if you're from the ATL, you know what I'm saying. Even if you're thinking about going to ATL for a visit, you know what I'm saying. Comment down below. Tell us your experiences if you have any. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Let's get to it. Alright guys, we are here at the, what's the name of this place again?
Valet Connection.
Valet Connection, dropping off our car. We're gonna get shuttled to the airport and then we're on our way
to Atlanta. We'll see when we get on the plane or when we walk in towards the plane, I guess.
Getting on the plane, on the way to ATL.
Yep.
Computers or headlights is away from the aircraft clean. Please assist by handy parking tickets, your service times, newspapers, any other items like this cars to the rest of the cabin. We appreciate your assistance already then shortly. We are in the ATL, y'all. Atlanta. We here.
I'll tell you right now, these people up here can't drive though. They cannot drive.
They look scary. They look scared, like they scared to drive.
Yeah.
Right now, we are currently on our way to our hotel. We going up north to Buckhead. Yeah, I gotta zoom in. Oh, like that? Yeah. It's a nice city. I like it so far. Like, it's really great. You know. But we got this. We got a lot more to see. But we are here, y'all. We in the ATL.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Georgia.
We in Atlanta, Georgia.
Where all the peaches at?
The peaches.
All the peaches. Hi, baby. We just made it to the hotel, y'all. We're about to go try to get something to eat.
There's a Wing Factory.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Wing Factory. My brother out there. And we're in here, you know. I think our room is really nice. It's pretty nice. It's like a suite. And we have, you know, we can cut him off, you know what I'm saying? And be private. Do what, you know what I'm saying, what we want to do. And then our bathroom, it's pretty standard. A toilet, towels and stuff up there, and our shower up there. But yeah. Oh, how do I get that back off? Because it wasn't on earlier. I don't know. And our closet right there, and my suitcase right there. And then we have our little dining area right here. We have a kitchenette and another TV right there. A microwave, a stove, dishwasher, and we have a couch right here, but it's a pull-out bed, so this is where he's sleeping, my brother. And, you know, like little chairs and stuff, night tables. It's a pretty nice room. And to set this. But yeah. Alright guys, we are gonna try to get some food, so once we get that, then we'll put the camera back on. We about to get food. Food time, food time. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna call you on duo.
Who is that, babe?
Hello?
Good morning.
What up, y'all? We are on day 2. You know, well, morning number 1. But day 2. We went to sleep, so pretty much day 2.
Right.
We had some wings last night. We called from the Wing Factory.
Wing Factory, yeah.
Yeah, it was good though. You know, it kind of reminded me of Buffalo Wild Wings. It was pretty good. I don't even cut this phone down. Because, yeah. But it's nice and bright, y'all. Right now, the degrees outside is 60. What?
It's 60.
60.
Yeah.
So better than Michigan, where it's
like
what,
freaking
20 something, but
yeah.
It feels like 9. It's basically like, how does it 20 something feel like 9?
Right.
Feel like 9.
So yeah, we about to head out right now. We going to the mall.
The Lennox Mall, y'all.
Lennox. Yes. We'll cut the camera back on once we get to the mall, y'all. Hey baby, how you liking Atlanta? How you like Atlanta?
Put my mask on.
Look at you all sexy. Come here.
Listen, paparazzi, not today, okay? Not today. Not today, paparazzi.
You said not today, paparazzi.
Not
Click,
today.
click, click, click.
Right. Watch out for that.
Ooh, what the heck is
I
that?
don't know what it is.
But how you like it though, so far?
I kind of like it though. It's pretty dope.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
I like it too. It's nice.
Uh-huh. I didn't take the damn camera off the face. Thank you.
You don't like the attention?
No.
You better get used to it.
I like the attention and all, but the fact is.
The fact is.
You already know.
What? Oh, thank you, babe. All right. Oh shit, it's recording.
Welcome to Atlanta with the king.
Thank you. Why did it say medium? It say medium, but this looks. Look at this.
A few moments later.
No, baby. I think you gotta try to shoot it inside that thing. Make it 1,000. Sit on top of that. Yeah. Oh, you cheating. Look at this guy.
2 days later.
We are at the Georgia Aquarium, guys, in Atlanta. I'm waiting for the shark to come back around. Look at the sharks. Look at them. Bunch of starfish and sea urchins. Look at that big one right there. He just laying there. I want to eat you up. Yes, I do. Yes, I do want to eat you. Yeah.
Say I won't touch it. Say I won't touch it.
Avoiding their eyes and tail.
Touch it. Oh.
What did it feel like?
I feel like rock. Oh.
You feel like what?
Head out, girl.
He just looks soggy, don't he? In the face. Alright guys, so you've seen everything we did, well most of it, you know. Some of it we couldn't record because, you know, like certain places that we went to, either they had like certain music playing for copyrights and we didn't want to put that up, or they had a specific sign saying no recording or, you know what I'm saying, photographs.
There's a lot of that. There's a lot of that.
A lot. So that was a bummer.
The reason why though, because like you see we met Jacquees. Like it's a lot of famous people who walk around just like regular people. They don't want to be recorded all the time.
Yep, they need their privacy. So that happened a lot to us, but we did still have a lot of fun though, you know what I'm saying? We went to the aquarium. We eat out a lot. We was fat.
We ate a lot of food.
We ate a lot.
We didn't record a lot of that, but man.
We did. We ate a lot of food. Right now, you know what I'm saying, I'm a little chunky because of that. I ain't mad though.
Some good food down there.
They do. They do.
Some good food. We got some beautiful scenery, like all the buildings, a ton of trees. It's real nice and some great weather.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Real good weather.
So we had a blast. We had some fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you will have good luck for the rest of the year. Until next time.